The DZ09, a new one actually from 2019. Here's my car. No application for BT notification. And this QR code, I've installed the application in the phone. It works, but it doesn't send any notifications to the watch. And the camera, it says it's supposed to be 2 megapixels. Haha, it's not. It's probably the worst camera I've ever seen. Here you can choose 240 by 320. These are the resolutions to choose from. 240 times 320, it's not 2 megapixels. I'm so sorry, but it's not. It's hard to say. This is a door. Never mind. The big problem is that you cannot use it to receive notifications, and that's the main reason to buy these watches. It's connected, paired device. Okay, Galaxy Note 9. This is the watch. It says disconnect. No, I don't want to. It's connected. And I can send files. This audio player, it works. Don't know why I would listen through the watch instead of the phone, but it works. But still, there is no notifications to be found in the watch. And the camera is very poor. And it's supposed to be a remote camera, to remote control the camera in the phone. Can't find it because it's not here. Don't buy this DZ09. It's cheap Chinese crap. That's all it is. Bye.